Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 4 bucks break for tonight. It's 5:17:50 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll for participants. Going 7 times. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. Team draw. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Random is complete. The teams are Mr. Holland, Sixers, Matthew Fotty, Wolves, Lee Johnson, Hawks, Stretch Armstrong, Pistons, Dale with the Cavs, Don Smith, Bulls, Dale with the Pacers, Quartermain with the Blazers, Grant McDonald, Grizz, Mick Ashton, Spurs, Grant McDonald, Thunder, Marcus Alot, Warriors, Grant McDonald, Knicks, Lee Johnson, Hornets, Stretch Armstrong, Pelicans, Thomas Pilak, Clippers, James Cannon, Lakers, Leah Tua, Nets, Grant McDonald with the Bucks, Glenn McCubbin, Kings, Lee Johnson, Raptors, James Cannon, Nuggets, Leah Tua, Mavericks, Nick Bowman, Heat, Mr. Holland with the Magic, Mick Ashton, Wizards, Glenn Bow, Celtics and Jazz, Kiwi with the Suns, and Glenn Butcher with the Rockets. And that's the team draw.